Why would someone who isn't wealthy, who isn't a millionaire, be needing a trust?
Well, and that's a good question because there's some confusion as to estate planning versus tax planning. And both are necessary for some people. We have clients that, like I said, don't have $2 to rub together. We also have clients that have 30, 40, $50 million and above. Even the clients that have a ton of money never put tax planning as their #1 goal. There's always control or asset protection or just making sure that the administration is easy for my children and that they don't fight. Maybe privacy, that's another issue. Trusts are private, wills are public, wills become public record. So there's always a different reason why people use a trust. But the fact is that a trust is not much more expensive than a will, but it provides a lot more benefit. A will does not really do anything except describe how to distribute assets, whereas a trust, even for someone who is, would be considered to be a middle class to low middle class, would still get benefit from using a trust beyond the asset protection, beyond the control, beyond the probate avoidance. The idea of privacy, the idea of ease, those are things that are so important to most people, and to know that you can get that for just a few $100s more than a will, and know that your family is going to be protected after you're gone. It doesn't really matter whether you have $1 billion or $1,000. Now back to the probate issue. Probate kicks in at $75,000. So where most people think, oh, you only have $1 million or you don't have $5 million or whatever the tax number is, so you don't need a trust. Actually, anyone with over $75,000 in total assets, including a home, they're going to have to go through probate. So anyone with over $75,000 in assets is going to benefit from having a trust in place.